In front of me is OPPO Reno 15F, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to tap on Display and Brightness. Now scroll again, this time to choose font. And operate this slider under font size to adjust it. You can check out Preview at the top. Make sure to tap on Apply button or your changes won't be saved. So when I do that, as you can see, size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!